what is up, YouTube? How we doing, boys? We got a little bike night tonight. I'm headed to link up with Joe now. I'm swapping out the 8th wall plate for something different. Spice it up a little bit. I don't know who's actually coming out tonight. Everybody was supposed to come out, but Dave's bike got knocked over. Ethan lost his keys, and I'm not sure that Josh is still gonna come out, so. All these cagers, bruh. Buy a motorcycle. Big ballin'. Oh hell yeah. These are like, I'm pretty sure it's a Continental GT. I'm pretty sure they're like, it's a V10, I think. That thing's pretty fresh. I fuck with the blue. My fault, bro, my fault. Ah! He cut me up, damn it! While I'm going 70 over the speed limit. Come on, bruh. Oh, buddy. You gotta put on a helmet, my guy. What the f? Alright boys, I'm gonna get through this traffic. I'll pick you up when we're headed to the meet spot. Yo, what is up boys? We're on our way to the pre-meet spot now. The little F30. Gap. It's a 330 too, bro. So Joe just installed this quick shifter on the Z, and he just got his bike back. Oh! It is cooking. It sounds so sick, man. I swear by a quick shifter, man, it'll change your life. You'll never go back to a non-quick shifter bike. And I get it, bro. I get it. Clutchless shifting, quick shifter, it's like basically the same thing, but it's so effortless, man. It's so effortless. It's crazy. Ooh, it's crazy how similar these bikes are. He's ditching the Delcovic. He's gonna get Acura headers and an SC slip-on. The titanium is gonna look crazy on that thing, man. I'm so excited for it. Your boy gotta get gas. Oh, what a gentleman. He's gonna wait for me. What a gentleman. got a couple bikes. Damn, I f with the white walls. That shit goes hard. Yeah, there's not much here yet. Look at all the bikes, boys. God damn. So apparently there's troopers waiting for us at the next location. So I'm not sure what's happening. We need music, boys! Florida Highway Patrol versus 50 bikers. Look at this shit, man. Absolutely wild. Seems every week there's more and more bikes. Look, my plate. I threw the raceway back on there. Spicy. Oh, we're just mobbing, man. Look, it still goes on behind us too. There's so many people on this ride. I don't really like to blitz through this. I can't even hear myself think over this bike, man. There's so many people on this ride. I don't really like to blitz through the group. There's so many new riders and, you know, just people that have no regard for others, so it's not worth it. Yeah, I'd rather just enjoy the ride. Yeah, he's loving that quick shifter, man. It's hard not to. Look at that. I love the power, man. This shit feels so good, dude. Yeah, this is where Ethan almost got hit. Right there, he hit that pylon. Fucking wild, man. That shit was crazy. Every time I'm on this road, that's what I think of now. I think somebody was capping. I did not see any troopers. So I guess cops were supposed to be here too. There's one. Oh yeah, there's definitely cops here.
Enemy spotted.
right up here. Successful bike night. We caught back up to the group. But he almost didn't make the... Oh shit. I guess somebody went down on Metro. I'm not sure what's going on here. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. I'm good on that though. On an unregistered bike with a fake plate, I'm set. What the f? Ooh, I don't even know any of these people other than Vic, man. Bro, I redlined the piss out of the bike, man. I hate doing that, man. I've done it like one time before. Just chasing the power wheelie, man. It just happens, you know. That's gonna be it for this one, boys. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Woo! I love each and every one of you. Hope you have a blessed rest of your day. And I'll catch you boys in the next one. Peace, peace!